guys, no, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano kayo kumita sa site na to guys. So, ito ang tronviv.com. So yun guys, no, ilagay nyo dito yung invitation code, mobile phone, login password, then security password, then click nyo po yung verification code, ilagay nyo po dito yung lalabas na mga number o letters. So, then pagkatapos nyo ilagay yung fill up nyo yan, click nyo yung register guys. So yun guys, no, pag nakalagin na tayo guys, no, meron pong latest announcement po si tronviv.com. Tronviv was established in Singapore in 2018, currently has more than 10 self-built mines, cooperative mines around the world. Total circulation of VIV created by Tron Foundation to 5 trillion. It is expected to complete the simultaneous splitting of 130 Global Exchange project before June 12, 2022. Tronviv participate in the raffle, majors and Telegram, on observation, WhatsApp, Telegram. Tronviv.com is headquartered in Singapore. It comes from the founding technology R&D team of Tronviv. The development of the centralized encrypted wallet model started on the Tron network. The profit model is based on the daily calculation of cloud data. Collection miners in your Tronviv.com account. The profit model of the basic account is the profit obtained by the miner from calculating the data for you. You deposit in the basic account. The system will allocate to your basic account, collect and calculate the miners working for you, earn 5% of income every day. Because the miners are cloud data computing, so your income is permanent. Tronviv is the first production to team develop mining machine model, income of wealth management products in your investment account is stable income which can be managed and controlled by Tronviv R&D team. More financial product will be launched in the future to allow more users to better experience. The original intention of Tronviv founding team is jointly developed to the future, create permanent benefits for every user. Please do not compare to Tronviv.com with any other similar platforms. Advanced idea can always meditate. This is an event that Tronviv team cannot prevent. Please cherish the permanent benefits of Tronviv every day. This will be your best investment experience. So yun guys, no, nandito tayo sa tronviv.com na sites. Meron tayong total balance na 8,000 TRX. So yun guys, no, magtutungo tayo dito sa trade. Trading profit, 24-hour settlement, plus 5% crowd mining is working. So yun guys. So yun guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa invest. So yun guys, no, meron silang products dito guys. Ang TRX TRC20 daily rate 2.50%, cycle 15 days. TRX TRC20 daily rate 3%, cycle 30 days. TRX TRC20 daily rate 5.50%, cycle 60 days. TRX TRC20 daily rate 7.50%, cycle 90 days. So pagkatapos nandito guys, no, magtutungo tayo dito sa share guys. So yun guys, no, meron tayong ditong invite your contacts, our friends, and rewards. Ikakopy natin guys yung ikakopy link natin guys para ma-share natin sa friends natin, sa social media, sa Messenger, Facebook, and Instagram. Then makaka-earn na po tayo ng mga rewards doon. Site guys, makaka-earn na tayo ng mga rewards. So guys, pagkatapos guys, no, click po natin tong mine. So yun guys, no, meron ditong invitation code 76839. TRX total balance is 8,000. TRX deposit quantity. So yun guys, no, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano mag-deposit. Basic account, investment account. There are two modes of investment. Number one is recharge and transfer to the basic account and receive the income according to the Singapore time zone after 24 every day. When the recharge is transferred into the investment account, you can receive the income according to different cycle in return principal income when due. Tips before investing: please choose a basic account or investment account according to your investment needs. Please wait for the arrival of the account before recharging, which is a key problem. So yun guys, no, click na lang itong basic account guys. So yun guys, no, pag nakapin na natin yung link na to guys, pwede tayo pumunta sa ating Binance. So yun guys, no, pag nandito na tayo sa Binance guys, so paano ka ba tayo makaka-withdraw dito guys? Click natin tong wallets. Tapos meron dito guys na 3 types. Deposit, withdraw, transfer. So click natin itong withdraw guys. Click natin yung TRX. Send via crypto network. Then guys, long press natin yung link na galing sa sites. Nilagay po natin yung amount. Click natin yung withdrawal. Click confirm. So yun guys, no, pag may lumabas na verification guys, code will be sent to sa ating number. Code will be sent to sa ating Gmail. So click natin dalawang send code guys. So yun guys, no, pag nakuha na natin yung code natin sa number natin guys, and code sa Gmail, so click na po natin tong submit. So yun guys, no, request is submitted na guys, withdrawal request submitted. So yun guys, napaka-legit talaga ng apps natin guys. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys, mag-sign up na kayo guys. Then, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated pa kayo sa mga lalabas kong mga